How to allow or don't allow changes to microphone access on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down. In here, tap on Screen Time. After that, we scroll down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then we go to the Privacy section. From here, tap on Microphone. Then at the top, you can choose to allow changes or don't allow changes. So select one of the options. When you are making a change, it may ask you to enter in a screen time passcode. Where it asks you, do so. And that's it. Now the change will apply. And finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.